Hello?
Hello? Yo.
Oh, hello?
Yo, what's good? Gary James Jr. the third.
Yeah, you're
Yo,
right.
twin, let's land salty. What's that? Where's salty, gang?
What, your name's Anna Dingus? What?
Say it again?
What did you say? What's your name?
My name is Anna Dingus.
What?
Name is Anna Dingus.
Nigga, what?
Your name is Anna
Nigga,
Dingus.
what? What are you talking about right now, bro?
I don't know, you were saying your name is Anna Dingus.
No, bro, your name is Gary James Jr., bitch.
Yeah, but what is your name?
Damn, bro.
My name is Anna Dingus.
So your name is Anna Dingus.
Bro, this nigga on one, bro.
It's
Don't
not my
talk to
fault.
me, bro.
So you're the one who's saying that your
A
name's Anna
fucking
Dingus.
twat for a teammate. I got a twat for a teammate. Shut your bitch ass up, nigga.
And there's no need.
There's no need. There's full fucking need.
How old are you?
Yo, fucking mother rage, nigga.
Oh. Excuse you. So Anna
Yo, help me,
Dingus.
Gary, help me. Help me, Gary.
I have to
Gary,
come
help
over.
me.
I'm coming.
Help me, Gary.
I'm coming.
Oh, yeah, you're coming.
Oh, Anna Dingus, what?
Bro, where the fuck is this nigga at, bro?
I'm over here. Are you talking about me?
Shut your stupid ass up, bro. I ain't trying to hear your shit. Your shit on the down low, Gary.
Anna Dingus, are you alright? Have you ever...
Bro, this nigga got a default skin, twin? This nigga default skin with it?
Yo, help! Yo! Travis Scott, yo! You got this, you
Nigga
got
talking
this,
about some
Anna
help.
Dingus. I believe in you.
My name is Anna
You should
Dingus.
fucking believe in
I
me.
know your name is Anna Dingus.
Oh my god!
Oh, where did you come from, man?
You bitch ass nigga, you ain't do shit for my fucking team, bro. All you do is ask respect your help and die, bro. Do not work the space, man. Get off the fucking range. Play solo, nigga. Play solo. Stop trying to find people to play with, bro, when you got ass, bro. Tired of niggas like you, bro. Tired of niggas like you.
What? Did you hear that?
What?
What's your name?
My name is Anna
My name Aaron.
What? Anna Dingus.
My name. Where you wanna go?
What did you say? Anna Dingus.
You
What?
said what?
Did you say Anna Dingus?
No, I said Aaron.
Wait, what is your name?
My name is Anna Dingus.
Aaron.
Anna Dingus.
Aaron. Aaron.
Was that you?
No, my name. No, my name.
Who
Aaron.
said that?
Aaron. You said that.
No, it wasn't. I'm not dumb, man. That was you. Are you trolling me?
Bro, you trolling me.
No,
I'm my dead mama, bro. You trolling.
I'm already dead.
Alright, man.
How
Good
long
one.
have you- How long have you been playing Fortnite for?
Since season 2.
I've been playing it for like 15 years. Come on, Anna Dingus. Come on, get out of there. Anna Dingus. No.
Hey, my name is not Dingus.
What's it? That's what you said.
It's Aaron. Where you
Oh,
getting Dingus?
Aaron. Who said Anna Dingus then?
I don't know, nigga. You did.
Excuse you, man.
I heard that. I heard that.
Is it you?
No, I heard someone fart.
Is there anyone in the room with you?
No. That was
What
on your
was
mic.
No,
That was on
wasn't
your
me.
end.
That was not me.
No,
No,
definitely.
I'm my What are you playing on?
Hey, where you? I'm on Xbox. Yeah, this nigga can't edit for shit.
Xbox 360.
No, I'm on the Xbox The
What?
Xbox XS. I'm on the Xbox
A
XS.
Nintendo Switch.
Yeah, Nintendo.
Oh
I'm pretty goaded on this whole.
yeah. Yeah. Hello.
Okay. Yo.
Are you right? Let's play serious now. No more trolling. Stop trolling me
Alright,
now. No, stop trolling me now. Let's play actual game.
Alright,
My name is Dingus.
Oh, okay. I know you've already said that.
Is that your little sister or what?
I don't have a sister. Is that not you?
It's what?
Bro, you're trolling me.
What's
Chill,
that?
man.
Who's that second person?
That's you. Was that not you? You just said my name is Andy Dingus.
Nah, gang. I do not sound like that much of a bitch.
Stop trolling me. What's your actual name?
My name is Dingus.
Your name
That's
is
the
Andy.
name.
That's you.
Yep.
Where are you
That's
from, Andy
me.
Dingus? Place called Michael.
I'm from Texas.
Texas, so yeah.
Thank you, appreciate it. My bad, bro. I had some beans for breakfast and shit.
Yo, yeah.
Yeah.
Were they cooked properly?
I think they were overcooked. Keep it a buck.
Oh, yeah.
I said I think they were overcooked. Keep it a buck.
You cooked the book.
No, I said I think they're overcooked. Keep it a buck.
I don't know what you mean you cooked the book.
This nigga. I said keep it a buck.
Oh,
Like keep it a buck. Like keeping it.
you eat buck?
You don't know,
like
keep it
beer.
up. Yeah.
You had buck with your beans.
I also eat kids.
You eat kids.
Yeah.
You must be hungry.
Yeah, nah.
It's probably the trash music you have in the background where you can't hear anything.
No, I could hear, but the music ain't too loud. I turned it down.
Did you forget what you were saying?
Nah. I didn't forget what I was saying. Why?
I think there's too many curse words in the background. I think you're forgetting what you're saying. The curse words.
Bro, what?
The curse
What are you
words.
talking about? What
You're
about the cuss words?
You're
How's that making me forget anything?
You told me that you're forgetting because of all the bad music you're playing.
What when did I ever say that?
That's what you said.
My name is Dingus.
Hey, you
You're
said
definitely
that
gonna
like, you
crack.
said that like 5 times now.
I just had to make sure you know.
I know what? Your name?
Yeah.
Anna Dingus. I think I remember
No.
now.
No. Hey, you gotta say it's an angle. Hey, not a us. It's an angle. You gotta have an angle. I think.
Angles. What the
close
frick?
enough.
What the frick is that? Who's that moaning in the background? Is that your
Nobody
girlfriend?
moaning.
Is that your girlfriend?
Nah, my whole cheating gang.
Oh. too
We ain't
bad.
worry about these hoes though. Oh shit, right here. There's a nigga.
There's no one there. Anna Dingus.
I'm coming.
Come on, you got this.
I'm doing some
Believe
real
in
good
you.
puss.
I believe in you, come on. You got two eyes on you. Come on, Mr. Dingus. Down here. Run.
Niggas a fucking vagina.
What did you say?
Why? I said he's a vagina. He running.
I think that they're being a jackass.
Nah, no, baby. I ain't worried about that nigga. I'm just trying to heal up. I don't care about him.
Come on, get out of there. Go.
Alright.
Come on, and Dingus,
I
you
need
got
lock
heal
in.
up.
Hold on.
You got a launch pad. You got a launch pad. Get out. There.
Nigga, shut the fuck up. Let me lock in, gang.
Come on, Dingus.
Oh, okay. Why the I forgot I had this gun. Fuck, I thought I had a different SMG.
I think you need a coach. Do you need me to train you?
Hey. You died quicker than I did each round.
No, I didn't.
Yes, you did. You died first every round.
No, I didn't.
How you even get? Did you even get a count?
Wait, is that person in the... Oh, I heard that. The person in the background, is their name Ryan Butlord?
No, I didn't hear nothing.
There's someone in the background. Is there someone in your room?
Nah.
Who's that? Who's saying my name is Ryan Butlord?
Bro, I could literally see like your mic, little microphone speak, whatever, every time.
I think that must be your girlfriend in the background.
No, my girlfriend is not no little kid. I mean, she was, but that was my ex.
What?
Nothing.
Okay. Who is that though? Man, you're trolling me. Stop trolling me.
No. Hey, what's your accent? Just like a fan.
Hello?
Man, that shit.
Did you say what's my accent?
Yeah, I was asking about your accent.
English.
Type shit.
Yeah, I'm from England.
That's just it.
You know where England is?
Yes.
Yeah, it's in Asia. What's your favourite meme?
What?
What's your favourite meme?
No, wait, what'd you say England was?
England's in Asia.
It's in Europe, gang.
Yo, I think you need to turn down that music.
I'm trying to see what you about, man. Just trying to see who
turn it down
on
a bit,
her
turn
out.
it down.
Front of Christian gun. I'm a little nigga, man, in my mouth. Pussy that nigga, if he try to slide, them boys gonna hit him
Bro,
beside. Leave that
turn it
bleed, he
down.
ain't gonna lie. I did turn it all down.
Andy Dingus.
I did turn it all down.
Alright. Let's look in, let's look in.
Alright. Shut it down.
I said let's look in, turn that shit down.
I'm locked in.
I'm not locked in.
You is locked in, bro.
I'm not locked
Believe
in.
in yourself, huh?
All I hear is shit
Believe
music.
in yourself.
All I hear is shit music,
Believe in
man.
yourself.
I believe in
Shut up,
everything.
this is my music.
But you made this shit-ass song.
Nah, nigga, I made it. It's not shit, but yeah, I made it.
You made this shitty-ass song.
Yes, sir, I did. It's not shit, though.
What's your favorite
Mom's
meme?
I don't know. I got a me.
What did you say?
I don't know what it means.
What's your favorite one from when you were younger?
I don't fucking know. I never had a favorite one. I never cared about that shit.
What, did you say your favorite meme's 21?
Oh, I forgot about that one. But no, it's not. I don't have a favorite meme.
I'm your favorite meme.
Oh my god.
I think you should turn your music into a meme.
Hold on, gang. Why are you way over there?
I got lost.
Oh, okay, yeah, that makes sense.
How did I get one bomb?
Alright, gang. I'm finna go clean up my room.
What was that? What was that?